Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, traction control, cruise control, power windows, heated mirrors. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.